Welcome again. So, today we would be learning about nesting, nested if else. So, what is nested? Nesting occurs when one programming construct is included with another, and nesting allows for powerful yet simple programming. It reduces the amount of code needed while making it simple for a programmer to find errors and edit it. Now, actually, let me explain you with a better example. And let me write down nested if else. Cool. So this is our new Python file where we would be learning about nested if else. And again, let's take a simple number. A is equal to 5. Okay. If A is less than equal to 10, and let's check one more condition. If A is greater than 3. All right. So you need to print A is between 3 and 10. Sounds cool? Else, it's lesser than 3. That's only what we can figure out over here. And we have done one if else, where we need to also work with the another else. That is for this if. All right. So now let's talking about else. Print. Oops. Yeah. Print A is greater than 10. All right. Now let's just quickly run this. See, A is between 3 and 10. Perfect. Right? It's between 3 and 10. All right. Now, what's the next thing that you should know over here? Let's change the number. Let's run it again. A is greater than 10. That is, it's working perfectly fine. And there is this if inside this if. Similarly, there could be another if inside else as well. No doubt. Actually, let's do something. Let me tell you which block belong to where. That is, there is another indentation over here which you see. It's because of this if. All right. So whenever you press enter after this, you already get an indentation. That means you start from here, and whatever is exactly parallel to this belongs completely to the if. All right. And whatever is there in this if belongs inside, which is there in this level of indentation. And if I talk about else, it goes for this indentation level. That means only this line belongs to the else. And last else which you have over here is for printing it is greater than 10. This belongs to completely a different block. All right, so this was a little about this. Now let us actually do a real program to get this thing much more better. All right. So now the question would be something like you need to ask for the age from the user when the age is getting, when the age has been taken input already from the user. You have to check whether the age is greater than 18. If it is greater than 18, you're old enough to drive a car. Else, if it is less than let's say lesser than 16, then you are old enough to ride bike, scooty, I mean cycle kinds of bikes, or else you need to come back when you are much more older than what you are right now. So you can try this out once, all right, because this would be pretty easy. And definitely I'll tell you about this in the next video. But before that, I want you to try yourself for this one. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much.